we're on the way to Changi Airport to check the Jewel. So right here at City Hall, all the way to Tanah Merah and then Changi Airport.
Next station, Paya Lebar. Change at the next station for the Circle Line.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So in today's vlog, we're on the way to Changi Airport kasi papasyalan namin yung Jewel na attraction sa Changi. Okay, stay with us and we'll bring with you for more adventures for today.
Paya Lebar. Change at this station for the Circle Line.
Oh, may mga shopping mall na rin pala dito sa may Paya Lebar. Oh. Dati wala. Singpost next doon.
Eunos. Doors are closing. Next station, Kembangan.
Kembangan. Ethan, this is how London House looks like. Those are the London homes.
Kembangan.
The brown roof.
Kembangan.
I think next station is ano na yata, Bedok na yata. Is it?
Next station, Bedok.
What do you get? Wow. Okay, look it, guys. You watch the Bedok area.
Bedok.
Oh, this one yan ah. This might be familiar for you na. The Bedok Interchange.
Bedok. Doors are closing. Next station, Tanah Merah. Change at the next station for train service to Expo at Changi Airport.
Bedok Town Center. Oh, there's their building before Yana, this one, where we live. Block 180. You see it? The one with the colorful one? That building. That one. That's where we used to live. That building, that one. The blue and green window. Yeah, that one. So we're gonna get off Tanah Merah para dun kukuha ng another green line that goes to Changi Airport. This one. Okay. Ayan. Ito, ito Changi Airport to, di ba? Okay. So, pwede na tayong sumakay. Wait. Yeah, hurry up.
Expo.
Expo.
Change at the next station for the downtown line.
May downtown line. Which one? Sa may Expo. I see. Yun, Singapore Expo. This is where they do a lot of sale, events, big events. The Great Singapore Sale, they do it here at the Singapore Expo.
Expo. Change at this station for the downtown line. Next station, Changi Airport. This train service will end at Changi Airport. Please mind the platform gap.
Okay, so we're here at Changi Airport Station. Saan tayo lalabas? So, dun! Sa dulo yata tayo. Yeah, kasi ito. So, tatagos kami dun sa dulo. So, ayan, may mga arrows naman. So, paglabas sa train Terminal 2 and 4, we'll exit to the left. Terminal 3, Terminal 1 and 3, to Jewel to the right. Okay, off we go to Jewel. Galing ah. Kung di ka makalusot, that means you have to use the lift. Aray ko, Diyos ko. Ang bilis. Okay, to Terminal 3. So may mga bus connections din, oh. Bus to Terminal 4. To Jewel is upwards. Okay, so Terminal 3 departure. And there's a signage right away going to Jewel. So napakadali lang talagang tumbok-tumbokin ng mga bagay dito so hindi ka mawawala. Oh, Ethan, departure na. You wanna go home now? Who wants to go home now? You want to stay for another week? Ooh, nam-nam, daming kainan. I'm hungry na. What time na? 2 o'clock. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Okay, to the right tayo for Jewel. I remember that spot because that's where I waited for you guys on our first day here when we arrived. Okay, syempre. Okay, I'll go ahead na sa Jewels, ha? Okay, iwanan ko na sila. At na-stop over sila doon. Ako, didiretso na ako sa Jewels kasi nung first day, pagdating namin dito sa airport, yung dalawa, nagchinak agad ang Jewel. Pero syempre, sa dami ng mga dala-dala naming luggage, bawal palang magpasok dyan ng trolley. So syempre, ako naiwan dito. Diyan, naupo ako dyan. So now it's my time to also see Jewel. Malayo pa ba guys? O malapit na dyan lang yung Jewel. Dito sa kanan is Crown Plaza Hotel. So yan yung hotel na within the airport. Para sa mga nag-layover. Okay, so we have 3 hours to enjoy the Jewel. Bye my son! See you later! Bakit hindi na natapos tong Walk-a-Lator? Doon pa, pagkanan pa. Ito na! Ito na yung building ng Jewel. The one. So mula dun sa departure entrance, medyo lalakad din ang konti papunta rito sa area kung nasa ng Jewel. And no trolley. Okay, so to the left, to Canopy Park at level 5. Oh, meron din Yotel Air dito na hotel. Oh, ang daming kainan. Kape agad yung naamoy ko. Oh, Coffee Club Roastery. Ah, that's the Canopy there at the top. I'll go to Jewel. Let's go to Jewel. Take a pic first before I eat lunch. Welcome to the Jewel. Okay, so ako ay manananghalian muna. Kasama daw sila kahit inom lang muna. Oh, Sushi Tay. Ay, gusto ko ba ng sushi? Tapas Club, Spanish restaurant. May bakery. Oh, ito! Kay Kaisen doon. Maliit lang siya, oh. Parang okay, Japanese. Gusto ko yan. Okay, check out lang saglit lang. Mabilis. Kasi itong mga kasama ko, kumain sila kaninang umaga sa Kilini. Kasi sumaglit muna ako. Umalis kaninang umaga. May pinili ako. Kaya ako ay hindi pa nananghalian. Bird's Nest, Sushi Tay. Let me see, ano pa ba? So, ito ba yung mga ibang kainan? Okay, meron dun sa dulo. Tyler. Sanok Kitchen. Okay, so ito pa yung mga ibang kainan. Parang gusto ko yung maliit na Japanese shop lang doon. May mga souvenirs rin dito, oh. Okay, parang bet ko to. Ano to? Kay Kaisen doon. Sa ting food nila. Tamago, teriyaki, o yung gyoza, salmon.
Oh,
Okay, what?
it's like that plus the udon.
Udon set. This one, I want the saba teriyaki. There's a nagi don also. Beef don, all the don. Oh, yan o, gyoza. No? You want gyoza? Okay. Yan, so anywhere daw. So, dito na lang kami. So, I'm going for the Saba fish. Sakto. Paborito ko din yung Saba fish nila dito sa Singapore. Maski sa hawker, merong mga yung Saba rice. And this is more Japanese yung setup na to. Pero sa mga hawker, meron din yan. And then my son would like 6 pieces gyoza. Soda. Init na init kami. But we're gonna try their popular drinks. Honey yuzu soda drink. Soy sauce. Sarap. Kita no, I like their chopstick. It's like bamboo.
You didn't sell them?
If there is, I'm gonna get it. Then salad muna tayo. And then here's the Saba teriyaki. Miss ko to. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, it is tamago. May kasama siyang tamago. Tamago. This is seaweed. And what is this meat? Let's cook the egg. Mix it here. Yum. Okay, kain muna tayo. Saba fish. Ang sarap. Okay, so we're done with lunch. So, explore na namin
Can't
yung
take the escalator.
Jewel. Yeah, we can also take the escalator. Let's go. Escalator, you want? So, napakadaming kainan. May jumbo seafood din pala dito. Baba. Sa baba lang. Oh, may toaster asa ko ba? And so on. Wait. Oh. May mga coffee shop din sa baba. There's a lot. Monster curry over here. And then all the way pa doon, mga shopping. So mukhang airport pala kung talagang iikutin mo to. Siguro maubos na yung isang araw mo. Okay, let's go check Jewel Changi. We're looking for a nice spot. Yung pagpasok kanina, nakita na namin siya. Kaya lang may mga nakaharang na mga puno on the side. So we're looking for the best part to view the Jewel. Sanrio characters. Pop-up store here. Did you buy something here? Ah, a while ago. And then Pokemon store. Ito naman ang gusto niya. Pokemon. Yan, yan. Nung unang araw pa lang namin, yan. Hahanap na nila lahat yan. Diba? Action City. There's a lot of them. Okay, what do we see here? Oh, ito. Maganda rin yung view niya dito. And there's the tram. so we're just checking out what's in here na. We're checking out kung ano yung nasa pinakatuktok.
It's hotter up here.
Yeah. It's so much hotter in here. Mainit na ramdam mo. Pero parang may mga ano, coffee shops, kainan. Japanese. Oh! Ganda dito sa gabi. Oh! Oh, this is the entrance to Canopy. Entrance to Canopy Park on the other side.
So it's like a stop.
Yeah.
You walk this way, then it's like a circle.
Yeah. So, paikot to pag ganon. Okay, you wanna walk? Okay, let's walk around.
Yeah, ice cream.
Where's the ice cream? Oh, we can have it later when we feel so hot already. Oh, there's a lot of restaurants here. Okay, so ito.
This one lights up.
Oh, it lights up. So when you were here before with Yana?
We have some clips of it.
Oh, tamo to mga to. Nakarating na pala dito. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, can we go there? Are you? Oh, oh my God. Okay. Ay, 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 ay. Nagulat ako. Yun. Seems like a nice view also downstairs, no? Okay, so this is the view from the top.
We also, me and Anna also took videos from the big soccer ball
Yeah?
for the Olympics.
Yeah?
We took them there.
Oh. Can we go here? Can we walk here?
Okay.
Ah, may bayad. Okay.
We think it's like a load.
Oh, yeah.
Too much people.
So dito may open space. Medyo mahangin. Ah, kasi may malaking electric fan dito. So yan, burger and lobsters. Mga kainan pa din. Okay, so kung mag-layover kayo dito lang within the airport of Singapore, dito pa lang ang dami-dami nyo nang pwedeng gawin and pwedeng kainan. We can get in here, diba? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's a Jewel Bloom. They even have drone workshops at Jewel. Let's go check the Jewel Bloom, whatever is in there. Okay, so entrance na pala siya doon. Entrance na ng Canopy Park. Okay, we go down na, my son. Okay, Paris Baguette na naman, oh. Skechers, oh. Shopping na rin. Bath and Body Works. Foot Locker. What else?
Oh, Bath and Body.
Nike. Shake Shack, Ethan.
Oh yeah, there's a big Nike
Yeah.
floor Nike.
Yeah. Yana was saying there's also 2-floor Starbucks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yan o, Ethan. Shake Shack, oh. Shake Shack.
2-floor Shake Shack.
2-floor Shake Shack.
Oh, we should eat there tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. Before our flight. Nandito kami bukas kasi lilipat na kami tomorrow. So, dyan daw sa Shake Shack ang aming lunch tomorrow. 1 p.m. yung flight. So, kaya tinapos na namin yung Jewel ngayon kasi supposedly tomorrow pa. Kaya lang, baka hectic na. So, ayaw namin makagard tomorrow. Para bukas. It's so cute.
It's a good thing we took a picture of the other one.
So, para bukas, chill na lang kami dito. Kain-kain na lang. So, okay, ang daming tao because pagpasok mo dito sa terminal, yan, this is the first you see. First you see. So, right now, ang tinutumbok namin, paano pumunta sa baba. Kasi galing kami nasa taas. What's that? Oh, apple.
These are big.
That's a big apple store. And Nike store.
2-floor Muji.
Two-floor Muji. O, dapat dito si Yana nag-shopping. Galore ng Muji.
Mine's at Nike.
Urban Revivo.
Mine's at Nike.
Did you go to Nike before? No?
Ooh, sale.
Up to 50% off.
Should check that later.
And then, I'm not sure if you buy here, if it's automatically tax-free. Vision Pro. Yeah, that's the large Muji. 2 floors.
Fat.
So, L3, there's link bridge to T23. Dual entrance bus terminal. So, we're here at L2. So, pababa kami ng L1. And may car park siya up to basement 5 lang. So we go here. Oh, it's cool.
A lot of plants.
Yeah, there's plants and we're at the lower ground. So masarap na dito, malamig na may. Tapos, maybe there's a little bit of mist.
Oh, they still have.
Oh yeah. There we go. Welcome to Changi Airport. And you're here at the Jewel. Sarap ng mist. Ayun o, daming tao sa paligid. It's so amazing. Ang daming puno dito sa loob oh. So imagine the process that they had to go through para mailipat yung mga pananim dito sa loob. Ayun. Daming mga puno hanggang doon sa taas. You said, my son, at night there's a light scene here. Yeah. So mas maganda daw siya sa gabi kasi may mga ilaw-ilaw. So now we're checking out the stores na. Yung dalaga ko naman, magkasama sila ng Mama Jen niya. At nag-check din sila ng different stores. Namimili daw yung babae. So ako, kasama ko naman itong lalaki. Kailangan namin maghiwalay kasi magkaiba sila ng mga days ng stores. Para hindi kami nagkahatakan. Para fluid lang yung pasyal namin. Ikot-ikot. Yung hair super curly. Bongga siyang coach dito. Umiikot lang kami dito. May access na rin pala siya. So, ayan na to, Terminal 1 na to. Yeah, so we're here at Terminal 3. Pero ito na yung connection niya to Terminal 1.
Are we still taking T3?
What do you mean T3?
Terminal.
Terminal 3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We came here at Terminal 3.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. So that we save some time. Kasi if we ikot, what's going on? Ah, it's a tour package. Ang dami nila. Yeah. Daming mga bakasyonista. Maraming mga yung mga tourist, yung package tours. Okay, so he is checking out Foot Locker. Here you go. Okay, now next Nike. Okay, so I'm getting this t-shirt. Naka-sale siya. 31 na lang from 45. Ayun. Yung binata ko, nagsha-shopping sa Muji. Dito ko sa labas kasi nasa second floor siya and kailangan mo mag-stairs. Which I don't like. Pagod na ako. Arabica coffee here. Another coffee shop. Luke's Coffee. This one, another coffee shop. Sa taas, another coffee shop. Oh, and this is the canopy. Doon sa dulo, doon sa bandang yung kulay green, that's Tim Ho Wan. Yung pinasukan namin kanina, meron din typhoon. Yeah. So itong buong paikot ng Jewel is the shopping area and of course, the largest indoor waterfall. Grabe, I can't believe it. Naka ilang days na ba kami ngayon dito. Dumating kami ng Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today is my 6th day. So, pinasyalan na namin tong Jewel para hindi na kami maghabol tomorrow kasi yun nga, flight na namin tomorrow ng 1 p.m. We'll still spend the morning here at the airport. Pero sa loob na siguro, pagka-check-in na, plus mag-GGST refund din muna kami, check-in, and then sa duty-free sa loob naman kami, maglilibot na lang tomorrow before the flight. So after Jewel today, sasaglit kami sa Budok area kung saan kami tumira for 3 years noong from 2009 to 2012 kasi dito ako nag-work during those times noon. And kasama ko yung pamilya ko, itong mga anak ko, maliliit pa sila noon. Like nung paglipat namin dito, yung lalaki was only like magtutu pa lang siya noon. Yung babae naman is magpo-5. So yung babae dito na nag-K2, Kinder 2, tsaka grade 1. Kaya yung anak kong lalaki hindi yan marunong ng Tagalog kasi no dito na nagkaisip sa Singapore, tapos paglipat namin ng Canada, so talagang English na yung gamit ng salita. Buti yung babae at nung umalis kami ng Pilipinas noon, Kinder 1 siya. So Tagalog pa siya noon. Tapos nung paglipat dito, tinatagalog niya yung teacher niya. So kinausap ako nung teacher niya. In-enroll namin siya sa parang night class ng English language. At syempre mga bata, napakabilis naman nilang matuto. Parang 2 weeks lang na night class niya. Nung nagsasalita na siya ng English. Okay, so we're gonna quickly visit the place later on. And then I also have a set dinner date with my friends dito sa Singapore. So some of my friends, they're still working here. Pero some of them have moved already to Australia. So yeah, we'll just have a quick get together and catch up later. Okay, more shopping. Yung mga anak ko nasa Pokemon. Ako naman na nakabili sa Uniqlo dito. Meron pala silang t-shirt na yung chicken rice, Singapore, ganyan. So like that. I'll show later. Tapos, naka-sale na yung collaboration with Marimeco na bag. $10 na lang ito. So, nakakuha ko ng isa. Tapos yung red, binigay ko sa kapatid ko. Nakabili sila ng Pokemon. I bought Uniqlo. What'd you buy? Can you see?
That's Pikachu.
Oh, Pikachu.
Point. Where can
Okay.
Can I get something?
Ano? Hindi ka pa ka napag-desisyon.
Ito kasi malaki.
Hindi pwede pag malaki.
Ha?
Hindi pwede malaki. Wala na tayong space. Okay, we're off. We're off to Nike kasi itong isang ito may bibilin daw doon. Okay, we're almost done here at the Jewel at Changi Airport. Yeah, and moving on to Bedok soon. Okay, bye-bye Changi Airport. Labas na muna kami. At papunta na kami ng Bedok.